Alright, let's look at the homework 1, problem number 7. Alright, let's look at part A. Find the slope of the line that passes through the given points. Alright, so we have two given points given. So I'm going to name these guys, let's say x1, comma y1, and x2, comma y2. Alright. So if you want to find the slope, so part A, right, slope m can be found by difference in y values, so y2 minus y1 over difference in x values, so x2 minus x1. Alright, so y2 is 10 and y1 is 7 over x2 is 12 minus x1 is 4. Alright, so this is going to give us, let's see, 10 minus 7 is 3 over 12 minus 4 would be 8. Alright, so we have 3/8 is our slope. Right, so let's check the answer. Right, we got 3/8. Right, so let's check the answer. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so let's do part B. We want to find the standard form of the equation of the line. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, in order to find the standard form, let's see, the standard form is in this form. We have equation ax plus by is equal to c. Right? So this is the standard form. So we want the equation in this form. Right? But since we already have a slope m and we have a couple points, let's use the point slope form to come up with the equation, then rewrite it in standard form. So point slope form. Alright, so it goes something like this, right? So y minus y1, that's equal to slope m times quantity x minus x1. Alright, so this will give us, let's see, alright, so y is y, minus y1 is 7, is equal to, slope is from part A, 3/8. Then x minus x1, x1 is 4. Alright, so we have that. And we have to rewrite it in standard form. First thing I would do is I'm going to distribute this slope to the first term and the second term inside the parenthesis. So this is going to be 3/8 x, right, minus, right, and 4 and 8 cancel out, so you're going to be 3/2. Right, so we have that. Right, so in order to rewrite it in standard form, what you need to do is you need to put the x and y on the left hand side and the number on the right hand side. Right. So one extra thing I would do is, I don't like fractions. I'm going to actually go ahead and multiply by 8. Maybe I should have done it before. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. Right. So you're going to get 8y minus 56 is equal to, right? So 8 cancel out, so you're just going to get the 3x. Right, then you have 8, so it's going to be 4 times 3, so 12. Right, then I need to put the 3x on the left hand side, so this guy come over here, and I have to put negative 56 on the other side. Right, so the way to do that would be I'm going to subtract 3x, and also I'm going to add 56. Right, so this is going to be, so subtract 3x, so it's a negative 3x, and we're going to have plus 8y is going to stay. All right, so 56 and negative 6 cancel out. And then you're adding, let's see, 56 to 12. So you're going to have 44. Right. So that is the equation in standard form. Right. So let's type it in. Right. So we got negative 3x plus 8y is equal to 44. All right, let's check the answer. All right, so we got that. All right, then part C, what is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? All right, so we just have to rewrite it in a different form. All right, remember that the slope-intercept form is, right, so it's part C, is a y equals mx plus b. All right, so let's start with, let's see, we want to, I'm going to start with this one. So here, I'm going to come from here. All right, so we have y minus 7 is equal to 3/8 x minus 3 over 2. Right? So all you have to do from here is to get rid of negative 7 here, so that we can isolate y. So we can simply, to get rid of negative 7, we can just add 7. All right, that way you're going to have y by itself, and then you have a 3/8 x. All right, so 7 is 14 over 2. So negative 3 over 2 plus 14 over 2 is a positive 11 over 2. All right, so this is the equation in slope-intercept form. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we have right here 3/8 x plus 11 over 2. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, so we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.